Holy, it's been a while. I want to first say sorry for being so quiet lately. We moved, as you know, and that brought a lot of hurdles and stuff that just ate our time. But as you can see, the cars are back in the garage, which means we've got stuff to do. Boom. So if you don't personally know me, the fact that I kept this color for just about 3 years is crazy. Which means, is it gonna stay? Why are we changing color? But we're gonna respray the wheels and all the powder parts. So we gotta get wheels off and everything else so that we can get the tires off and then split these things and get them off to paint. Okay, that's 2. Wait till you see how big they are. Holy teats. Every time I see them, they get bigger and bigger. Ridiculous, but they look really healthy. That's great. And yeah. So you can call me a little bit of a nitpicky, but with it being mainly used for show, I have to be. Right here drives me nuts. That was my personal fault. The rubber trim had fallen in because we lost a rib nut on the highway, and that equaled me having to try to get the rubber out of there, which for some stupid reason I grabbed a screwdriver. Smack me for me, please. But we're gonna change the color, so it's not really a big deal now. Yeah, it's kind of ridiculous that fits in there and I can tuck it. That's a lot of freaking wheel, man. And these are the fronts, a little smaller, but still pretty big. But they don't get any lighter, I can tell you that. That's a lot of rubber, a lot of wheel. Rears are 15 inches across the wheel, and the fronts are 13 and a half. Okay, I got another side to do, and then I'll show you a couple little things in the car that are bugging me and half the reason that we're going to change color. All 4 wheels are off. Let me show you what I'm meaning here. This has also been an issue. This trunk has been closed for like 2 months with no way of opening it. So my lovely wife climbed through, pulled the tank out and everything from the back seat to release the trunk with the physical release. We gotta source that out, figure out what the heck's going on there. But yeah, tank's out. That's gonna get changed too. Think we're gonna keep the yellow, or should we just do something completely different? Leave a comment down below what you think we should do entirely, from body color to new accents to you name it. Give me some ideas. If you've been on my Instagram, you'll recognize this box. That's the old, like the first trunk setup I ever built in it. We've come a long ways. But there's the air tank. And I've got a big box right here that we're gonna do something with. For today, that's about as far as I can go. I can't make it to the tire shop where my buddy works. His name's Connor, he's great. He's probably the only person here in Kamloops I'm gonna trust to dismount these, mainly because they're so freaking big. So we're gonna go visit him tomorrow. I'll see you there. Been a few more days than I expected, but we're here. Fountain Tire. We're gonna dismount. It was arm day today and filming really hurts, but I got you guys. And here we go. So big. That's ridiculous. Pulling cores. This one's flat. Not that you can really tell the stretch holds so well. The man, the myth, the legend. The only person I could get to agree to try.
Only person coming up.
Breaking beads. There they go. Now we gotta figure out how to get the back bead off. I've got him stressing. He's straight stressing. He found a system that's working for him, so we're just ripping through him now. Woo! Honestly, super grateful for Connor. Like, finding someone to touch these wheels is not easy. Most people have told me where the door is very quickly. And he was up for the challenge, so we're winning, we're getting it, and then they're off to concept 1. Time for a new look. How you feeling now?
That bead's a bitch.
It is a bitch.
Jesus Christ, it's like a fucking oil barrel.
Yeah. There's one. He's working on number 2, and we'll just get through these. Thank you, Connor.
You're welcome.
Love you. They're off. We can only fit 4 wheels and 2 tires in the back. And then we gotta put more tires in the back seat. These ones gotta be replaced. They're all weather cracked. And so if you know of anybody that's selling 285s, let me know. Well, we will see you guys when we drop these things off. Catch you next time.